Hello, everyone. Welcome to Wisdom Wednesday, Real Estate Edition. Home buying wisdom we will be sharing today. What every first time home buyer should know. My name is Helen Washington. I am based out of Texas. I serve as a DFW market and I am brokered by EXP Realty. So, again, I've been in a business for over 7 years. I am super passionate, especially about my first time home buyers. So, today we'll be talking to all of my future home owners, okay, especially my first time home buyers who are figuring out where to start or when to buy and how to do it wisely. To be honest with you, home buying is a special process. Okay, I remember when I purchased my first home, all the excitements, the questions, and the lesson that I learned in the process. So today I'm sharing what I wish more buyers knew before they jumped in the market, including myself. Okay, so stay tuned. First, let's jump into talking about the reality of today's market. And the other thing is you want to ask yourself, are you buying a brand new home or are you buying a pre-owned home? Pre-owned just means that someone have lived in that house before. They could have been there for decades or maybe a few years or whatever. All right. So let's, go into talking about what's happening in today's market. I want you to know that the market is changing, not crashing, but normalizing. Those that want brand new home, builders are offering structure incentives to sell their remaining 2025 inventories. Now, when it comes to the pre-owned market, which means homes that are being sold by previous owner, okay, sellers are becoming more flexible, okay, offering concessions, repairs, or price adjustment, especially if they have been on the market for a while. Okay, so buyers today have more choices, must balance that with interest rates and affordabilities. A wise buyer doesn't wait for perfect condition. They prepare for the right opportunity. I'm going to repeat that for the people in the back. A wise buyer doesn't wait for perfect conditions. They prepare for the right opportunity. Okay? All right. So let's go into this home buying wisdom. 5 things smart buyers do. Let's get right into it. Now, first, you want to get clear on your why. That's right. Get clear on your why. Why do you want to buy? Is it because of stability, family, investment, ownership pride? I call it a reward for your hard work, right? Why? Your why keeps you grounded when decisions get tough. Now, a clear purpose brings clarity in the process. Because I always tell my buyers, home buying is no joke. The process can be quite interesting. So knowing why you want to buy will keep you grounded, and that will also, bring you clarity, okay, in the process. Number 2, know your numbers. Understand your credit, budget, and your monthly comfort zone. what price point you want to be in, what monthly payment will be comfortable for you, right? So don't just ask, can I qualify? Ask, can I live comfortably? Now, comfort comes in many different forms. You could be comfortable in your payment. You also want to be comfortable in your home. This is where you're going to be sleeping and living and seeing every day for years to come. Location. Am I comfortable with where I have to drive from to go to work and all this stuff? Are my children comfortable? If you have kids, So these are all the things that you definitely want to look into or consider when you are, thinking about embarking on this process. Okay. Get pre-approved early and prepare and compare lenders' options. It's okay to get first, second, sometimes even third opinions, okay, when qualifying for a mortgage. It's important. And get with the right people. A trusted agent will also give you these referrals, connect you with the right people. Okay. Number 3, you want to do your homework, not just on homes, but also on the process. We talked about that earlier. And that is why you need to connect with the right agent, but competent, someone who knows their job, who can lead you and hold your hands through the process. Learn about closing costs, inspections, appraisals, contracts. Again, your trusted agent will be able to connect you, help you connect these pieces and learning about them together. Don't rush. Slow is smooth and smooth is fast. Okay? You don't want to rush into the process. Go slowly, knowing the process and as you get into it. And then again, smooth is fast because you've done your homework, you know exactly what you want, and boom, you can execute, right? Now, preparation reduces pressure because, as I said earlier, home buying is no joke. You want to be prepared, all right? Surround yourself with the right team. Again, usually your first point of contact is always your trusted realtor who then connects you with the rest of the other team, which would be the lender, inspector, title company, and all of that good stuff. And you're probably asking, okay, what does the title company do? Title company helps you own your home clear and right. All right. Meaning if there's any lien, any debt or so on the property, they will do their research and make sure that you are not taking on anything that you were not responsible for. All right. And even give you title policy, which is an insurance that covers anything they missed doing their research. So should something comes up later in the future that was not catch, by the title company and they were supposed to, they will cover that for you. All right. So we helped you connect with the right people, the right team, okay, to do all the research for you so that you are owning your homes clear and right. All right. Your realtor, your lender, your inspector matters. Okay. Choose professionals who communicate well and prioritize your goals. Okay. Your circle determines your success. Okay. We always want you to be successful in this process, so we hold your hands. All right, number 5, Move when peace and preparation align. You don't have to rush, but don't wait for the perfect moment either. Again, we want to apply some wisdom here now, okay? You do not have to rush, but don't wait for perfect moment too long. And you don't want to miss out on opportunities, right? Market shifts, okay? Rates changed. But wisdom says when you are ready, act. And you guys, that's just the reality, okay? Meaning when you are ready and the opportunity present and it's right, act.